Akum within her farm. So take away you. Akum within her farm. You can see. Egusi. See how they
I've read from Genesis to
Egusi.
Revelation.
Can see them.
And I did not see.
So, since our things are organic, things are organic, and within, so I'm just telling you how to weed your farm. Can you see? So after weeding like this, you see, there's if rain, especially this is Bahama, it's stubborn grass. If rain falls on this, it will grow back alive. Yes. So if you're weeding, when you remove it from the ground, that's when you have uprooted it with your hoe. See what Akum is doing?
Shake off the soil in the roots.
Shake off the soil, the roots. I like kawarwa. So you do it like this. See? By the time the sun hits it, you just
Burn
go
and dry up.
to dry up.